Hi guys, welcome to another video from her honest vlogs. I am Soumya. In case you don't know my name, so it's very important for me to come up with my name because many of you ask me what is your name. I just get channel name, I don't get your name. So my name is Soumya guys. So this is in another makeup haul video. So I have already unboxed the Nykaa box that I ordered yesterday and it got delivered today. So please check out the short video that I have uploaded. There I have unboxed the Nykaa makeup haul that I've ordered. So in this video guys, I'll be testing that product that I ordered for myself over me, and I'll show you what is the response and what is my view on that product. So please stay tuned for that. So this is the box that I got from Nykaa today. So the delivery was very quick guys. I ordered it yesterday and it got delivered to me today. So I already told you that Nykaa is very quick on their delivery part. And guys, this is festive season and this is high time we should buy makeup for ourselves, because last year was like, I don't even remember that 2020 came because I actually didn't order anything for myself. So I don't want 2021 to also go like this. So I have ordered, I'm ordering actually product for myself. So guys, this is the first product that I got. This is a Pond's sheet mask. This is very much in trend. You must be aware of this product. So guys, the cost of this product is 75 rupees, and so it is around in five different categories of flavors. So I have ordered the avocado one, and one is tomato. So for this one I ordered for my mother because this is for firm and youthful skin, and the avocado one is for soft and supple skin. I'll be using it. So I'll be applying this mask on Diwali, and I ordered this for Diwali actually. So everybody wants to look beautiful on festivals, so I thought why not. So stay tuned guys, I'll definitely show you what is the outcome of this mask. I'll definitely show you on the Diwali vlog. So okay, so the next product that I got is this Nykaa. This is a skin shield. This is a matte foundation guys. So guys, I was actually researching a lot which foundation suits my skin. So what should I order, because the foundations like for different brands are actually very costly, and this is of a reasonable price. The cost of this is around 715. The mentioned price is around 799, like 800 INR, and I have paid around 715. So I have the bill with me. I'll tell you the exact figure. Okay, so this is for 718 guys. This is for 718, and okay. So moving on to the next product that I got. This is from K Beauty, everyone's favorite, Katrina's Cafe. So I have ordered this nude nail paint for myself because I am a big fan of nude color, and it is over my head, all over my head. So whenever I see a nude color in nail paint or in lipstick, I just get mad. I feel like I should just order it. So I was researching that which color, which brand should I bring. So this is from K Beauty, and the price of this is around 201. Like 200 bucks is the price of this, which is okay. This is fine. I'll be just testing it in front of you, and I'll be showing you how the color is actually look like. Okay. The final thing that I ordered is this lipstick that I got from Faces Canada. So guys, this is also a nude lipstick. So I was researching a lot because nude lipstick is actually very costly. So I was just wondering that which one should I order. I don't want to overspend because I don't believe in overspending on makeup, because I am a person who keeps on buying makeup. So if I start investing a lot of amount in just one product, then I won't be able to order much of them and on regular basis. So I don't want to be guilt conscious. So I just order it at okay. I just feel like the optimum price that I pay. If I am paying, then it's fine. I don't want to over pay for anything. So the charges of this lipstick is 222, guys. The price mentioned, the MRP mentioned on this lipstick is around 299. That's it's 300, and they give it to me for rupees 222, which is like fine. Okay, so now coming on to the testing part, guys, I'll be showing you how these products are. Okay, so let's start with the foundation. So just this is how it look like. This is the packaging, and I'll be taking it on my palm a little bit. So guys, I have already prepped my skin with the moisturizer, or you can just apply it like this. Don't take too much of foundation, guys, because it won't be. I have a sponge too. So with this sponge I'll be mixing it. Mix it really well, guys. Okay, so the covering seems good, guys. It has covered. Oh, I put it on this. So see, guys, this is the effect of the foundation. I find it good. You'll have to apply a little bit of quantity. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लेना पड़ेगा आपको, और उसको आप अच्छे से मिक्स करो, ऐसा स्पॉन्ज से मिक्स करो. So it's going on well on my skin and it's suiting my skin tone as well. So definitely you should use a primer before this, but I have applied this primer, guys. This is from a Lotus brand. This is not from Nykaa. This is from Lotus brand, and it is for oil-free skin. As you know, I have oily skin, so I have applied this before of this foundation, and you can see the result. It's really pale and it's going with my skin tone. It's designed according to the Indian skin tone, and it's totally covering up my face well. So yeah, I haven't applied any concealer, guys, so because I won't be able to cover all this. I just wanted to show you the exact picture of this foundation. So yeah, okay, guys, so moving on to the next thing that I ordered is the lipstick. I'll be showing you. This is the packaging, guys. This is really good in terms of packaging. I've been using Faces Canada product before also, and so guys, if you have a chapped lip, always use a lip balm before, so that the lipstick is spread all over and it does not look that you have applied it on your cracked skin. Yeah, so it's sorted, and now I'll be applying this lipstick. is it guys, this is the actual shade. So yeah, this is the actual shade of the lipstick guys. I like it because it's a little pinkish kind of tone. It's actually totally nude. Lip actually look like this. So yeah, I love this. This is a matte lipstick guys. It's going on well with my if I've applied the lip balm, it's looking glossy. Otherwise, if I don't apply the lip balm and directly apply it on my lips, then it will be going matte. So how do you like the shade? Please tell me in the comment section below. Okay, so moving on to the next thing that I ordered, the nail paint. So I'll be applying it on my nails, and although I applied guys black nail paint, I have removed this for applying this and showing you. Please bear with me. So guys, this is a very diluted nail paint that I can see. It's very diluted, it's not thick. So this is the shade guys. This is the shade. It's very diluted. I feel it's not thick, it's very liquid. So let me just wait for it to get dried, then I'll show you the actual result. I don't know how it is appearing on the camera, but yeah, it's totally nude shade, and if you are also nude lover like me, so you'll definitely like it. And the quality is little bit I think it's diluted, as I say. You might have to apply 2 coats to get the actual look. Okay, so guys, to complete my look, because I have already applied lipstick and the face foundation, so I'll just move on. I'll just not leave my look like that, because I'll be applying liner also. I'll show you. So guys, this is a pen liner that I got from a local shop, and it is a really good liner. The name of the brand is Yankina. I think it's a local brand. I just bought it few months back, and that time I was looking out for some other I was asking for Lakme or something, but he only had this, so I have to purchase it. So I'll just show you. If you are also a liner lover like me, so definitely go for a pen liner. So this is how it look like. So I always do a wing it guys. So I first you go like this, and then you go like this. So this is the look guys. So guys, for me it's a very important makeup tip. Please note it down that if you are doing makeup and you are applying everything, lipstick, liner, and you are not doing your brows properly, then your makeup will look incomplete. Trust me guys. And if you are not applying anything, just doing your brows and applying a good lipstick and a good foundation, you are good to go for a party. So you'll definitely, it's very important for you to apply eyebrow pencil. So you can use any pencil guys. I am using this from a brand MN. Again, it's from a local brand guys. So the price of this is around 40-50 rupees only. So I'll show you the difference between how if you are not doing your brows and if you are doing your brows, what is the difference, major difference. Just do it lightly guys, don't overdo your eyebrows, it should look real. So guys, now you look out for the difference if you are applying an eyebrow pencil, how the look is, and if you are not applying, then it is looking incomplete, you can see it. So I'll just complete this. I actually love thick eyebrows. I'm a big fan of thick eyebrows, although I have a medium eyebrows. Okay guys, so I am done. So in case you feel that you have overdo anything, you can just sponge it out. So a little bit of just even it out, guys. If there is something. So guys, this is my final look, and I'll be completing this look with this hair because I have short hairs, guys. I cannot make any bun or something. Okay, so this is how I do my makeup if I'm going somewhere. Actually guys, I am a big fan of retro makeup because I like wing it. And if I see something which is like of a retro style, like it was used to be in old style, I actually instantly fall in love with that item, and I just impulsively purchase that item. So like that, I have purchased so many things. So I have also kept my hair short because in the previous time the heroines and that time they used to keep short hair. So I actually love short hairs a lot. And so guys, this is all about it. And talking about the product, guys, it's a really affordable product because Nykaa is actually, I feel this is one of the top seller brand nowadays. Every second person, every second woman, lady or a girl prefer Nykaa. So because they are assured, they are very much assured that they'll be getting a brand item and within affordable range. So if you are you have money, you can definitely go for a higher option. I mean higher priced option for makeup. They have a different brand with them. So according to your pocket, you can buy out the things. So for me, this was a good deal because this all cost me around 1286 is the total cost I paid for this products, which is a fair deal because I don't think I'll be buying this thing for next few months. I can easily make use of this for about it'll last me for 6-7 months easily because I don't do much makeup on daily basis. If I'm traveling outside, I'm going somewhere, that is very rare, then only I apply makeup. Otherwise, if I'm going out for some work or some shopping, so I generally don't apply much makeup. And because of COVID now, I have stopped applying lipstick because it's covered with marks, so it's of no use. But still, if you are a makeup lover, so you can definitely. So guys, please rate my look. How do I look in this makeup that I've ordered from Nykaa? Also guys, please let me know if you want me to make some other video. If you have any suggestions, that I should make video on this, on that, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely read your comments and I'll come up with that video for sure, and within a very less time. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like my video, and if you do, please make sure you like the video, comment down below and share the video, and most importantly guys, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, I am a new YouTuber and I need you people support, and it's very important. If you will support me, then only I'll be able to come up with the videos. And if you really like my channel, please subscribe. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next video soon. Love you.